Did you just fart? You want one?
I'll take it, put that.
No, she's farting it.
Oh. Hey, Yummy.
Good job.
Good boy.
You gonna chew on it? You're gonna spit it out. Don't spit it out. Don't spit it out.
What are you looking at, buddy? Yummy. Yeah. Yeah.
Good job. You got one in your hand. Do you know that? You got one right there. Oh, so close. It's like permanently stuck to his thumb. It's a tricky one.
They're all tricky.
Yeah.
Tricky icky.
They're all very tricky. Alright, here. You gotta stop with the fist, buddy. It's not conducive to actually getting it in your mouth. Yeah. Good job. You've touched all of them. You win.
Try putting one in your mouth. Oh, now he's like, oh. Did you say so?
You want these ones? How many? You have 3 in one hand, buddy. Alright, here. And drop that one.
Make him pick them all up.
How do you...
Now they're all stuck.
How do you propose that I make him pick one up?
I don't know.
Here.
Put one on each finger.
I'll just lick his fingers and stick them on there. Is that yummy? It smells like yogurt. It smells like berry yogurt. Good job.
Did you try one?
Yeah. And back in. There you go. Yeah, I tried one before you. Yummy. Maybe Mommy can try one. See? Buddy? Look how Mommy has it. Like this. No.
That's another time, buddy.
You're getting berry on the fishy, buddy. Remember what we talked about. Fishy can't play while we're eating.